Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about TCS Holiday Homes. However, I have uploaded a video related to TCS Holiday Home already on the channel, but I am making this video to discuss all important FAQs related to TCS Holiday Home, as most of the candidates are still having doubt related to TCS Holiday Home. So this is must watch video if you are planning to book holiday homes. So let us take our first question. What proof need to be carried to the holiday home? The printout of approved GESS request and your TCS ID card need to be carried to the holiday home. Is it possible to book 2 or more rooms at a time? No, only one room can be booked at a time to ensure fair utilization of the facility by all. Will it be possible to extend the stay? No, it is not allowed to extend the stay beyond your approved duration of stay. Is it possible to interchange rooms? No, the rooms cannot be interchanged and only room which is booked can be availed. What is the maximum duration of stay possible in holiday home? Employees can stay in a holiday home only for a maximum of 4 consecutive days, except for Lonavala holiday home where maximum days of duration is 3 consecutive days. So in Lonavala you can stay for maximum 3 consecutive days. How many days in advance booking can be done? Holiday homes booking start 30 days in advance. The 30 days time included 2 days date as well. Booking for the 13th day start from 8 am IST onwards. Booking for all other days can be made at any point of time subject to availability of the holiday home. Is the 30 days advance booking applicable for the booking from date or the booking to date? The 30 days advance booking is applicable only for the booking from date. For the purpose of calculation of 30 days, 8 am IST is considered as the start of the date. For what period does the availability status of a room is shown in the availability calendar? The availability calendar system displays the availability status of a room for a period of 33 days. As the maximum possible booking from date must be 30th day of and the maximum possible booking to the date must be 33rd day. How it is possible that the availability status of a room for a particular date is shown as available but booking is not allowed? In case of multiple users checking the availability of calendar concurrently, all of them may view the status of the room as available. However, as soon as the room is booked by any one of the user, then the availability calendar will refresh with the booked status. How it is possible that the availability calendar shows that the room have been booked beyond 30 days from the 2 days date, even though system allows the room to be booked only 30 days in advance? Since the holiday home bookings open 30 days in advance and associates are allowed to raise a booking request for a maximum duration of 4 days from the 30th day, hence the status of the room is shown as booked beyond 30 days. For example, if an associate books a room from 1st October to 4th October, then the system will reserve the room for him for 4 days and the system will show that the rooms are already booked. Since the room is continuously booked, if an associate tries to book the room for 2nd October on 2nd September, 30 days prior, system will not allow to block for those days. How many waitlists are allowed for holiday home bookings? No waitlisting is allowed for holiday home bookings. For a particular holiday home, how to determine whether someone else has already raised a booking request for a particular room on a particular date? For a particular room, if the availability status is shown as booked or pre-booked, or at the time of booking if the availability status is shown as available, and after clicking book button a message is displayed that the room is already booked, then it should be considered that the room is booked. How it is possible that for a room the availability status reflected as not available on a particular date, but at a later instance of time the availability status of the same room reflects as a pre-book on that particular date? The availability calendar will display the booking status of the room for only 33 days from today. Beyond 33rd day, all room will be displayed for booking and status will be shown as not available. However, if the room was previously booked in advance for retired associates, only when the 30-day advance booking window opens up and on that day the room is pre-booked, then the status will be depicted as pre-booked. For example, consider that a room is pre-booked in advance for 4th July. If you check the availability status of the room on 1st Jan, then the availability status will be shown from 30th of June to 3rd of July, and 4th July onwards the status will be shown as not available. However, when you check the availability status of the room on 2nd of June 8 am IST, then the availability status will be shown from 1st July to 4th July and availability status for 4th July will be depicted as pre-booked. How to book a holiday home only for a single day? In the availability calendar, one need to select only the date on which booking is to be made and proceed with the booking. Are friends, colleagues other than family members allowed to avail holiday home facility? No, holiday home can be availed only by the employee and their family members. For holiday home bookings, the definition of family member includes spouse, children, parents, siblings, and in-laws of the employee. It will be the sole discretion of the respective holiday home caretaker to allow the entry into the holiday home to friends, colleagues, or any other person who are not defined as family members. Is it possible for the family member to stay in a holiday home without the associate? No. The holiday home facility can be availed only if the employee stays in the holiday home during the entire period of allotment and cannot be availed only by the family members. Will booking be allowed if the family members exceed the room occupancy capacity? Yes, at the time of booking the holiday home, the room occupancy is displayed for every room type. However, no information regarding the family members accompanying you will be captured during the booking process. It will be the sole discretion of the respective holiday home caretaker to allow additional family members beyond the room occupancy capacity. After how many days, request can be raised if the associate cancels the approved request? If an approved request is cancelled, associate cannot book the same holiday for the next 7 days. Does the approver have the access to cancel the approved request? No, the only requester has the access to cancel the approved request. Can holiday home booking be done from backend? No, holiday home booking cannot be done through backend. Room bookings can be done for the retired associate beyond 30 days advance window period as per TCS retirement policy. However, such bookings are also made through system itself. How can transport facilities be availed? Transport facility could be availed on call basis, whose details are available with the respective holiday home caretaker. Can the booking details be amended after a booking request is in approved status? No, neither associate nor respective holiday home admin can amend the booking details in the system while booking request is in approved status. You need to connect with the respective holiday home admin for further assistance in this regard. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel IT India.